Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Park on level ground, set wheel chocks, and disconnect the negative battery terminal before starting. Use a handbrake and put the transmission in park or in gear. Safety first. Loosen lug nuts, then lift the car with a jack and support on stands rated for the vehicle. Remove the wheel and inspect the drum surface for scoring or rust. Inspect brake fluid level, brake lines, and wear on shoes before removing the drum, and have replacement shoes, springs, and a brake tool set ready. Release the parking brake and back off the star adjuster until shoes clear the drum so the drum can be removed easily. With the drum removed, use brake spring pliers to remove the springs, then disengage the hold-down pins to free the shoes and return springs. Clean components with brake cleaner and inspect the adjuster, wheel cylinder, and backing plate for leaks or wear. Replace any leaking wheel cylinder or excessively worn parts, and lubricate the star adjuster threads and the backing plate contact points with high-temperature brake grease. Reinstall the drum and turn the star wheel to expand shoes until a slight drag is felt on the drum, then back off 1 to 2 clicks so the drum rotates freely with minimal resistance. Set parking brake cable free play to 6/8 mm at the lever measured at the first ratchet tooth, and adjust the equalizer if necessary. Tighten wheel nuts to 76 ftLb, 103 Nm, in a star pattern. If you replaced or disturbed the wheel cylinder, bleed the brakes, top off fluid.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.